Hello everyone, my name is Slu from Bitcoin Kasi. Today I will be doing an NFC tutorial how to set up a Bolt card, and then I will take you step by step. So let's go. One on your left hand side, you scroll down, look for a Bolt card factories, and then once you found it, click on it. After you have clicked on it, it will ask you to create a new Bolt card factory. What you do is to write on the empty bar. You can write your name or your kid's name. So for now, we can write a test. Then after you're done, you click on create. After you click on create, it will take you to this section whereby it will ask you a maximum amount. For now, we can type in 1000 sets. It doesn't matter, you can type even 5000 set up to 50,000 set, but for now, for the test, we will use a 1000 set. Then after you're done, you click on save. After you have clicked on save, and then you click on view, and then once you click on view, then you open up a QR code whereby you take your phone, your smartphone with the NFC capabilities, and then you scan the QR code. And then you scan the QR code with your camera, and then there will be a link on the bottom. You click on the link, and then it will ask you to set up the card or reset. Now what we want to do is to set up the card. So we'll punch on setup. Here is our empty NFC cards. We hold against to the phone up until we have right blue tick, and then we set. Now our card has been set. Now we have set up our card. Now we need to click on Bolt card balance. Click on it, and then you will open up a QR code. On that QR code, you can scan it with your camera, and then there will be a link on the bottom. Click on that link, then you will ask consult the balance, and then you take your new program card, hold it against to your phone like this. Now the card is been programmed, and then now you can even top up the card. There's a QR code if you want to top up the card, if you want to deposit some sets into the card. So yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time.